In this video, we'll talk about how to earn money in Fantasy Premier League. So you have 5 ways to monetize your FPL content. To do this, you can go do sponsored content, affiliate marketing, advertising, Patreon, and selling merchandise. So for the sponsored content, you can get some sponsored content on Fantasy Football Scout and this sponsorship sites right here. So you need to have a lot of following in order to have some sponsored content. Next is the affiliate marketing. So they have in here commission junction or as well as Amazon Associates, and you can integrate it onto your FBL content. Next thing is we have advertising. You can advertise your FBL content using Google AdSense as well as Mediavine, and you should be able to receive a lot of traffic to your website, which is essential for the success of the monetization strategy. Next is the Patreon. So in here, content producers can receive financial support from their followers using Patreon. So last is selling merchandises. You can find it and you can search or you can also head over and then sell t-shirts, mugs, and hats.